What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds, where these kids keep me busy over here. They refuse to take their cars to the shop, and I have to do all the work because they don't like the shops. Shops charging too much. So y'all probably wondering what I'm doing here. Brake lines. The brake line was severely rusted and was leaking brake fluid, so he had no brake pressure. So I changed both the brake lines in this car. From front to back. That's what we do over here at Easy's Rebuilds on YouTube. So if y'all would, go check us out. There's a link in my bio. Stay tuned and stay blessed. Deuces.